Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making smoked pork chops. Alright, I'm starting out here with my slow cooker smoker combination. And this is a little wood burning box. I'm going to put some wood chips down in there. And I'm using apple wood. This is going to give us that good smoked flavor on our pork chops. Put that piece down in there. Hey guys, they sell this slow cooker. It's a Presto. They sell this on Amazon if you're interested in one. Let me get this big piece here and break it. That guy's being stubborn. Alright. And I'm just going to load this up with enough wood chips to keep this smoking, because we're going to put these chops in for about 4 hours. And I'm going to put the little cap on here that came with it. Alright, I'm going to start out by putting one of my racks. And this comes with 3 different racks. You can configure it a lot of different ways. And I have some boneless pork chops I'm going to lay in here on a rack. And you want to leave enough space around them so your smoke can get up through. And then I'm going to put the second rack in and put the rest of my chops in. And I have 8 pork chops. And this slow cooker smoker is really nice if you're one that's not really into smoking a lot or going outside to smoke stuff. You just want to do something quick inside the house. This is nice. Alright, now I'm going to put my lid on here. Alright, I'm going to push my hot smoke button, and I'm going to set my time for 4 hours. That'll give them chops a good amount of time to cook and get that good smoked flavor through them. Now what will happen is those wood chips, excuse me, those wood chips I put in a little smoke box, that electric element will get hot, start that smoking, and this slow cooker smoker will fill with smoke and that'll infuse into the chops. Alright, my pork chops are done smoking. I let them go for about 3 hours because that's all they needed. I took them out, laid them on some paper towel, dried them off. Now I have a large skillet preheating here. I'm going to add in some olive oil. We're just going to, these pork chops are cooked through from being smoked. We're just going to brown them up. And I'm going to get my olive oil in here and get it moved around to cover the skillet. I'm going to turn my heat down some. And these aren't going to take long, guys. We're just going to put a quick brown on them. I'm sticking to my paper towel, because they're tacky from the smoke. And you can see my pork chops shrunk up a little bit from being smoked. That's perfectly fine. Turn my heat up a little bit. And I'm going to season these with a little bit of my McCormick's Himalayan pink sea salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning. You can season yours with whatever you like or whatever you have on hand. So I'm going to brown that side, turn them over, brown this side, and season the other side, and then we'll be ready to fix up a plate. I also went ahead and made some cornbread stuffing and some buttered corn to go with this. See how nice and golden brown the pork chops got? Let me cut into this and try her out. See, they're cooked through. Really delicious, tender, smoky flavor. They taste like they hung out in a smokehouse all night. Really delicious, really easy. Now if you're interested in one of these slow cooker smokers, I don't think the Presto one's available anymore, but they sell them on Amazon and other websites under other name brands. So go ahead and check them out. So alright, there you have it. Indoor smoked pork chops. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.